Hey y'all, this is the HVAC guy. I was just trying to let you know, don't put batteries in your thermostat. If someone puts batteries in your thermostat, make them run another wire to the common, because you don't want your grandma to not have no AC when it's 100 degrees outside just because her batteries went out and she didn't know about it. This is the HVAC guy. Let me know if I can help.